Hello, everyone. In this session, we'll be exploring the stages of business intelligence and how organizations leverage these stages to turn the raw data into actionable insights, from data collection to governance and security. We will cover each stage in detail, highlighting its importance and key considerations. So let's dive in and explore the journey of data through the BI process. The first stage of business intelligence is data collection, where organizations gather the raw data from various internal and external sources. This data may include customer transactions, sales figures, website traffic, social media interactions, and more effective data collection requires clear objectives, defines data sources, and robust data governance practice to ensure the data quality and integrity. The second process is data processing. Once data is collected, it undergoes the processing to clean, transform, and prepare it for the analysis. This stage involves tasks such as data cleansing, normalization, and enrichment to ensure the data consistency and reliability. Data processing may also involve aggregation data from multiple sources and structuring it in a format suitable for analysis. Third step is data storage. Data storage is the stage where processed data is stored in a centralized repository or data warehouse. This repository serves as a single source of truth for organization, enabling the users to access and analyze the data efficiently. Data storage solutions may include relational databases, data lakes, or cloud-based storage platforms, depending on the organization needs and infrastructure. The next step is data analysis. Data analysis is the heart of business intelligence, where organizations extract the insights and identify the trends from their data. This stage involves the applying statistical methods, machine learning algorithms, and other analytical techniques to uncover the patterns, correlations, and anomalies in the data. Data analysis enables the organization to make informed decisions and drive strategic initiatives based on the evidence and data driven insights. The next step is data visualization. Data visualization is the process of presenting the data in a visual format, such as charts, graphs, and dashboards, to communicate the insights effectively. This stage transforms the complex data sets into intuitive visualizations that are easy to understand and interpret. Data visualization enables the stakeholders to explore the data interactively, identify trends at a glance, and gain actionable insights from their data. The next step is reporting. Reporting involves the creation and distribution of structured reports and summaries to communicate the key metrics and performance indicators to the stakeholders. This stage provides the stakeholders with timely and relevant information to support the decision making and track the progress towards organizational goals. Reports may include sales reports, financial statements, operational dashboards, and more, tailored to the specific needs of the stakeholders group. The next step is dashboard creation. Dashboards are interactive data visualizations that consolidate and display key metrics and performance indicators in real time. This stage involves designing and creation of dashboards that provide stakeholders with a comprehensive view of business performance at a glance. Dashboard may include dynamic charts, graphs, KPIs, and filters that enables the users to explore the data and drill down into specific areas of interest. The next step is the decision support. Decision support is the stage where business intelligence tools and insights are used to support the decision making process across the organization. This stage involves providing decision makers with the information and analysis they need to make the informed decisions quickly and confidently. Business intelligence tools such as Power BI enables a decision maker to access real-time data, perform ad hoc analysis, and simulate the scenarios to evaluate the potential outcomes. The next step is deployment and integration. Deploy- Deployment and integration involves implementing the business intelligence solutions and integrating them with the existing system and processes. This stage ensures that the BI tools and insights are accessible to users across the organization and seamlessly integrates into their workflows. Deployment may involve the training users, configuring permissions and assessing controls, and establishing the data governance policies to ensure that the compliance and security is met. The next step is continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is an ongoing process of refining and optimizing the business intelligence solution to meet evolving business needs. This stage involves collecting feedback from users, monitoring performance metrics, and identifying the opportunities for enhancement and innovation. Continuous improvement ensures that the BI solutions remain relevant, effective, and aligned with organization goals over the time. The next step is training and adoption. Training and adoption are critical stages in the successful implementation of business intelligence solution. This stage involves providing users with the training and support they need to effectively use these BI tools and insights in their day-to-day activities. Training may include tutorials, workshops, and documentation to help the users understand the capabilities of BI tools and how to leverage them to achieve their objectives. The next step is governance and security. Governance and security are essential aspects of business intelligence that ensures the data integrity, privacy, and compliance. This stage involves establishing policies, procedures, and controls to govern the data usage and access and sharing within the organization. Governance and security measures help mitigate the risk such as data breaches, unauthorized access, and regulatory non-compliance, ensuring that the data and the sensitive information is protected and used responsibly. In this video, we have explored the stages of business intelligence and how organization can leverage these stages to transform the raw data into actionable insights. From data collection to governance and security, each stage plays a crucial role in the BI process, enabling the organizations to make informed decisions, drive strategic initiatives, and achieve their business objectives. Understanding these stages is essential for anyone involved in the design, implementation, or use of business intelligence solutions. Stay tuned for more insights. In the next session, we will be talking about the use cases of BI. Thank you.